He tilled up all this area back behind me. He threw in a bunch of wildflower, perennial wildflower seeds. So there's gonna be a wildflower patch all right here next to the big garden. Right now he is digging a hole. He's gonna put this rock where that hole is. He's making a pathway. He has those wooden boards he got off the side of the road, and he's gonna use those to make the pathway. He's gonna dig those into the ground more and lay rocks or mulch or something inside of them so that we have a pathway to get to the big garden and we don't walk through the wildflower patch. That's what this whole area is. Hopefully it will grow the seeds that he threw.
Is the little woodchipper, which is my favorite chicken is the white chicken. It's so cute. It's on my way. Is it really? I see a shadow. I also got that white.
He's digging a hole to put this thing in there, and then he's gonna put mulch on it so that we have a nice walkway so that we don't step on all the plants that he's planting.
Give me like 4 scoops of mulch a month. A little bit.
That's the final result of the pathway he made to get to the big garden, or this side of the property. The orchard is over there, and then the wildflower patch. Good job. And it was all free.
$3.99.
Free 99.